Thank you for tuning in and coming to my channel. Today, I'm going to do a review on JDiction's ResinCrete kit, okay? It's the Christmas theme. And they reached out to me to do a review on this specific product. Let me show you what they sent me. It's really, it says it demolds in 30 minutes. They use eco-friendly and safe and smooth and durable. The fast curing is supposed to be a thing, and we're gonna try all of this out right here in this video. We're gonna see if they're lying. We're gonna see if it's worth buying and if it's worth, you know, getting for your kids. So let's get to it, okay? Shall we? So as we open it up, they give you the Christmas tree mold. That's cute. The cups to measure the resin in. I'm guessing this is part of the resin. They give you these. I guess they're like Christmas ornaments. Those are also Christmas trees. I don't know if you can see them real good, but yeah, so there's that. Then you have, oh, this is cute. A Santa Claus. You have a Santa Claus. I also read that all of this resin, I don't know what this is. I guess it's a drawer. I'm not sure. I don't know, guys. And here are some more cool things. These are ornaments for sure. These are more. Let me take them out so you can see them. Pretty. And this is cute. See that? All those different kinds of ornaments. They got the paint palette, some paint brushes, the little mixing stick, and what's this? Not the snowman. And then we have a snowman. And then we have the instructions at the bottom. 300 grams of the ResinCrete powder. That's this whole bag right here, okay? This whole bag, and then 90 milliliters of water. So they got the measurements, markings on the cup where it's easy for you to follow. I really hope I do this right because nobody got time. Okay, so it says you brush the molds in advance, so there's no what is it called? Nothing, no debris or nothing in the molds. Those are so cute. Like I low-key want to do all of them. No lie. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my full thing of powder. I'm going to take my water, put it in this cup to 90 milliliters. Right there, exactly 90. And the entire 300 grams. Wow. The entire 300 grams. Now I'm going by the instructions, guys. 90 milliliters of water. And we're going to it says mix and stir vigorously. We can't stir too vigorously. Okay. So I want y'all to see. It's still real clumpy. I don't know if, or the camera. It's still pretty clumpy. So we're gonna start a little bit more. It says you start for about 60 or 90 seconds. And I don't have any pigment to add. So which ones do we want to do? I low-key love this snowman. I love this Christmas tree, but we're gonna see how much all of this could get done. And shop tightly. Scrape the sides for any excess. Which one do I want to do first? So I'm gonna do this one because I want to do some for my daughter to paint when she gets out of school tomorrow. I think it's ready to be, I'm scared, guys. I'm kind of scared. Okay. So now that it's mixed, I kind of brushed off everything. I think I want to do this Christmas tree. We're going to do this Christmas tree. We're going to pour it in like so. And it says when you pour the resin inside of these molds, you're supposed to tap them. Ooh, I got a little bit. Tap the sides a little bit. So I guess make sure it's going into all the crevices it needs to. There you go. Then I'm going to put some in this snowman. It's a little clumpy, I'm not gonna lie. I could have started a little bit better. This better stand, y'all. I'm getting it everywhere, kind of. It is really easy to use, I can say that. Very easy. And it's satisfying to look at. I'm gonna fill this tray off. I'm gonna do this Santa Claus, see? Do this Santa Claus mold. Just gonna do that's pretty cool. Okay. I guess I could do these. This just be stuff for her to paint. I could do a snowman ornament. I'm gonna do the Christmas tree. I want to do the, let me do this. Ooh, it's a little bit and wasn't mixed in there. Hopefully this turns out right. And then the rest in, see that has clumps in it because I scraped a little bit, but I scraped a little bit from the bottom, so that caused that clump right there. I don't know, I kind of want to take it out. We're going to take it out. Hopefully it turns out right. If not, we have the others. Okay. There's that one. And voila. So we're going to come back in 30 minutes and see what these looking like and see how they come out. I'll see you back in 30 minutes. Bye. So it has been exactly, well, a little over 30 minutes. I'm not going to lie. You could tap it, okay? Look how easy that comes out, bro. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? That is so cute, bro. Okay, this is exciting. I'm not gonna lie, because I really like stuff like this. I wish I would have knew about this stuff sooner, bro. What the heck? Y'all see how easy that came out? Look at the Santa Claus. Oh, can you see it right there? You can kind of see it right there. The Santa Claus. They're super smooth, bro. Super smooth. They're hard. Listen. It didn't break. It didn't crack. It didn't do nothing. Let's see about this Christmas tree. I love this stuff already. I really do. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff already. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Let's take this other ornament out. These are so cute right here. Christmas tree, bro. Look at it. Okay, so this is when I was running out of stuff, but this would have been super cute if I had more. I just wanted to do it to see what it would come out like. I'm so mad at myself right now. Look how cute. Last but not least, the snowman. I cannot believe how freaking cute these came out. JDiction is amazing. Look at that. Snowman. Mr. Snowman. Isn't he cute? With his little hat. Oh my goodness. I really love this product. I would recommend this product for you, your kids, any DIYer, bro. Listen to me. I feel like a child right now. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you, JDiction, for sending me this kit and trusting me to do a review on your product. Your product is amazing. And must I say again, it's quick and easy to use, bro. Super simple. The instructions are easy. It's not a lot. All you need is water and the powder that they send. That is it. Stored at room temperature. It's durable. It's durable. You could use this. Like, you could really use this for decorations in your house. These are beautiful. These are really... I'm excited because I'm very satisfied with this product. And I have so many ideas for this product. Eco-friendly and safe. Okay? Smooth and durable, easy to use. It's just amazing, okay? Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you, JDiction. Go and create, be amazing, and I'll see you in my next video.
That's right now, baby.